hiking and it just started pouring down snow. The snow's not sticking, it's melting as soon as it hits the ground. But it's coming down in pretty big flakes. The things I see while hiking, I'm on Mount St Helena again, and it is absolutely pouring down snow. Nice. I wonder if the snow will stick. So far it's just been melting. Although this looks more like freezing rain. But still, everything's getting coated with white. Oh, this is awesome. Awesome. I can tell the temperature just dropped like 5 degrees. Maybe more. I'm over 4,000 feet on Mount St Helena. It is really blowing. I'm coming down. It's so beautiful. And I just had to come up here and see the snow again. Whoa. Whoa. I just accidentally stepped down into a rut. Okay. So I'm heading to the North Peak. I'm trying to find the North Peak. My camera lens is getting wet. But I just had to share this experience. Let me take shelter under this tree, clean off my lens. Alright, almost to the North Peak of Mount St Helena. The sun is coming out and it's still snowing. Yeah. Anyway. So pretty up here. A little prettier back where I was, but at least I'm almost to the top. We'll see if we get any views. If we ever get out of the clouds. There's a lot of towers up here. We're finally out of the clouds. But I see another cumulonimbus cloud off in the distance coming this way. Hopefully there I won't encounter any thunder and lightning, because I'm fairly exposed up here. So, pretty cool. Starting to get some of the views as the clouds are kind of whisking away. Oh, it's real windy up here. And there's the high point right here, the North Peak. I've only been to the North Peak once before, and interesting little rock formations. Anyway, 4,428 feet is the elevation at the very top. Look at that. Wow. Here we are, my feet. Very top. I'm the only one in the whole world standing on top of this mountain right now. Boy, do I feel special. Look at that. Wow. Those views, a little foggy though, this way. Back in that direction, we can see quite a ways. And it's still kind of foggy there. Got a giant transmission tower here. I think this is a good place to sit and have lunch. My butt's gonna get wet though. Maybe I better sit over here. I see a kind of dry rock. Wow. On top of the world. Almost literally. Okay, I'm on my way back to my car. And I just stopped for a moment here to take in the last snowstorm or snow downpour before I get to lower elevation. So that's pretty much the excitement of my hike today. So check out the photography I got on this trip. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll do a little slideshow right now.